Hi people. Hey, here's my latest welding project. It's going to be a gasoline powered walker. I got this Honda 5-horse engine. I have a treadmill motor here. I'm going to generate my own power on board, power lights and various electronics. I got a little bit wild with the abstract freeform sculpture here, but it's all good. It'll all fill in and should look good when I'm done. I got a very strong frame going. I've got his head roughed in. Is it a him? I don't know. My walker's head is roughed in, be it a male or a female. And a little chain there. Could be he's into bondage. I don't know. We won't get into that. Kind of strange looking, I know. But I'm having a lot of fun welding. And I'm not sure if this thing's going to be too heavy when I get done. I'm going to build it very stout, but